Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney, and if this is your first time joining us, thank you so much for being here. So guys, happy holidays. We have made it through the year and it's that time, guys. I've got my holiday lights on, okay, and actually today's Thanksgiving, but I wanted to make this video to help you guys out because if you're in the YouTube community, you know that come December we are getting ready for Vlogmas, and Vlogmas is where you literally upload every single day of December. Now, some people stop on December 25th, which is Christmas Day, and then some people go all the way until New Year's Eve and kind of finish out the year just vlogging every single day. Either way, it's whatever you choose, and it's really great regardless if you're somebody who is already monetized or if you're someone that's trying to get monetized. If you're somebody who is already monetized, this is a great way for you to reach a different audience. This is a great way for you to grow your subscribers, and it's also a way for you to gain more watch time. If you're someone who's not monetized, this is also great because this helps you gain subscribers likewise, and it also helps you gain watch time likewise. We all know that at the end of the day, it really comes down to that watch time. Subscriber count is nothing, but that watch time, y'all, is where it's at. So without further ado, we're going to get into this video with Vlogmas ideas that you can use this year. So as I mentioned, we are going to be talking about different Vlogmas ideas that you can use this year for the month of December. For starters, I have put these into two categories. The first category is going to be holiday related. So it's going to be more of that like holiday festive theme, Christmas oriented, all that kind of stuff. However, there are some people who want to participate in Vlogmas, but they may not celebrate Christmas. So I've also made a category for non-holiday types of videos that you can also use. Without further ado, let's get into our first set of videos, which is going to be, of course, the holiday ones. Like, that's the most fun. So my first idea for Vlogmas is going to be holiday decor. Who does not love a good holiday decor? Like, come on now, like everybody loves a good bedroom decor, living room, kitchen, whole house, outdoor, office space, whatever you have decorated, and it's super simple. You can easily go to the dollar store and grab some things, or you can DIY some things, but people love decor videos. My second recommendation for a holiday Vlogmas video is going to be gift guides. Everyone needs a guide on what's hot, what's trending, what someone wants. There are literally a plethora of different age ranges that are on YouTube making videos, and we all like and want different things. So hearing from somebody, getting a different perspective can always help someone who's buying gifts for, say, a niece or a cousin, or, you know, an aunt or uncle or anything like that. You making a gift guide on what's hot or what you feel like you would purchase for a certain person can always be a great recommendation for someone else. So gift guides, gift guides, gift guides. My third recommendation is going to be shop with me's. First of all, we are all at home to some extent. We are all doing holiday shopping online for the most part because a lot of stores are operating differently due to COVID. So if you show some people maybe how to get discounts, where to shop, you could be helping someone out. So shop with me's are always great. And then also too, some of us are just nosy. We just really want to know what's the tea, sis, what you get in so and so. So definitely shop with me's are super fun. They can be very informative, and they can also be great pieces of recommendations for other gifts that people want to purchase. So make sure that you keep in mind whenever you go shopping to flip your camera on, because we want to know, okay? My fourth recommendation for holiday Vlogmas ideas is going to be Wishlist. People love Wishlist just like they love shop with me's, just like they love gift guides. Maybe there is someone out there who wants to purchase something for you but does not know what to get you. Wishlist. Make it, post it, just give a little hint and say, you know, these are the things that I would like to receive this holiday season. if I could receive them, and you never know, you may end up with the things that you want. Number 5 is going to be Christmas Day and Christmas Eve vlogs. People love to see what you're doing. People love family traditions. So again, flip your camera on. Just give us a little behind the scenes, inside scoop. People love to watch other people's lives and to like take a break from their own and kind of look into other people's. Number 6 is going to be baking. Who doesn't love baking cookies for Santa? Baking, also any type of like recipe, any type of holiday festive dish of any type. I don't know how to pronounce those like little food boards, but those are really hot. Anything with food is perfect for the holidays because normally, not now, but normally people are gathering. People want to try different recipes to bring to the table. So always bringing something like baking, cooking, preparations of any sort when it comes to food is a great video idea for the holidays. My number 7 idea is going to be gatherings and events. Again, right now things are a little rocky and a little bit shaky because of COVID. However, there are people who have large families, who live in the same household, who are doing gatherings. There are friends who maybe get together and maybe test regularly. Like I get together with my friends still. We all have occupations that we all get tested regularly, so we are okay feeling safe connecting. So if you haven't already, for example, we had a Friendsgiving recently. Check out my Friendsgiving video. I'll leave it up here. But any type of event, any type of gathering, we love watching it. It's super fun to see the vlog. It's super fun to see different people, to see you kind of cutting up and in your element and doing what you love. Being around who you love is also things that people enjoy watching. So my number 8 recommendation is going to be volunteer. This is the season that we're giving back. This is the time to really showcase your idea of volunteers. Maybe that's making cards. Maybe that is, you know, grabbing a child off the angel tree and, you know, purchasing items for them. Maybe that is being a weekend warrior and taking some animals home from the animal shelter. Like, showcase volunteer in different ways of like activism during this time, because it helps shed light on these different organizations and nonprofits and things like that that people may not know about, or they may know about and may want to get involved with and may not know what to expect if they were to get involved with. So volunteer. Like, this is the time people want to give back, and, you know, just be wholesome citizens. So make sure that you showcase that. Give us what it's like. Give us a behind the scenes. Tell us the tea. Like, we want to know. So definitely keep that in mind. Moving to number 9, this is an all-time fave all year round, just like decor. It is crafts. Crafts and DIYs will never go out of style, no matter how many times we do them or how many people are doing them. They will never go out of style. Like, seriously guys, crafts and DIYs, you can literally craft the most simplest thing, but it will change somebody's life and it will be so helpful for someone. Even if it doesn't pop right now, it'll literally pop down the road and you'll be like, dang, I forgot I even made that video. I hear it happening all the time with people who I watch on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure you've probably heard that too. So if you have like a skill of some sort, or maybe if you like to craft gifts, or if you like to craft decor, all that types of stuff, make a vlog about it. Show us what it's like. Give us the behind the scenes. Give us the before and after. We love it. We want to see it. We're here for it. We want to stand, okay? We want to stand it. So definitely keep that in mind. Let's move on to number 10, which is going to be my last festive idea for your Vlogmas this year. So my number 10 festive idea for Vlogmas is going to be side hustles. Now hear me out, okay? It's the season where we are spending money like crazy. Like, we're spending, y'all. People want to know how they can either make extra money so they don't have to dip into their normal funds, how to allocate their money and budget it so they don't go into debt, or so they're not broke and they're not robbing Paul to pay Peter for the holidays. Y'all, if you are someone who may be good with finances, you may be good with side hustles, you may be good with just having those additional streams of income, show people how they can do those different things. Maybe spare the moment. Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, all those different things. Like, I have an Amazon Flex video, again, I'll link that up here. But there's so many different ways to make money out here nowadays that people just really don't even know about. But if you be that person that turns your camera on, gives us the inside scoop, you never know who you could be helping. So definitely do that if you can. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll leave all of the information from this video down in the description box below. If you use any of these video ideas, tag me in them. I would love to watch, help you get that watch time. I would love to subscribe to your channel. Make sure, again, if you haven't already, that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.